Bikes. The two-wheeled, one-ton body of metal, wires and plastic that produces abrupt combustion, low stress levels and butterflies in your tummy. What some might consider as unnecessary, risky or unwanted noise, others have found culture, peace, drive, passion and a safe haven. On this episode of Upgear, we are going to be joining the Superbikers Club Association of Nigeria, SCAN, as they embark on their day one of 3-day event.
The muster point was Secretariat, we all know, in Plateau State, Jos, South Local Government. So here arriving was some escort bikes, followed by Ducati, Suzuki, and the likes. My colleague said this was a rally, a good raw. Kawasaki Z1 1200, a very beautiful bike, as you can see. Then the MT10, to empty you, I'm telling you, to empty all your ego. The first badge, as you all can see, this soldier was trying to look fresh with this very beautiful BMW Escort bike. The Ducati Monster, a very deadly bike. Look at it, just look at it, it's a monster. Then the Kawasaki Ninja 800, a very wicked bike. Though it's fast, but okay. So the BMW Escort bike, very, very fast, 1400. A very big bike. Only for big boys. If you don't have money, don't go there. Bikes, many bikes, Monster, that Secretariat. Early bikes, they are 698. A very fast bike, durable and cool. So we're about to leave, heading to the Bongom Justice House. This is the president of SCAN. Very sharp bike is BMW. Many other bikes moving in slow paces. So as you can see, there are some cruisers, there are some that came with their luggages, like this biker. He's just from his journey, from where he's coming from. Even for the ladies, that's a lady there, pinning on someone's bike. As you can see, moving in an orderly position, formation, no stress, no race, no competition. Nigeria with time. These riders, as you can see, are the punctual ones. The ones that are yet to come, they are on their way from other states due to one reason or the other. So they welcomed us without any stress. You know how these forces, they do forget. They still allow us enter quietly. Look at these bikes. Just look at our presidents. Damn. If you not get money, you not join. Biking is not easy. It's not profitable, but it's fun, bro. It's fun. As you can see, the Bongom Justice house. Very beautiful. It's looking like a palace camp. Raining for us to see monkeys.
You could see a nice display of bikes from the Bikers Association of Nigeria. The first set of bikers on arrival, that is. We were then welcomed by representatives of His Excellency Bongom Jos, Plateau State.
state engagement, you, the bikers of Nigeria, are welcome to the palace of His Majesty the Bong of Jos.
And after much pleasantries and introduction, and the ordeal of the day was met, it was soon time to leave. But they couldn't leave without giving a little bit of display for their excellencies.
As you can see, we left the Bunganjo's house, heading to Stefan's. Very, very brief, 1-2-1-2. Don't be left out. Entering Stefan's with some bikes of galore. Can you imagine? This is just the first badge. Let's come and studio, we'll see them boys, them XRs. They have the likes of them XR and them GS, the Scrambler. As you can see, we are all gathered at Stefan's, displaying our culture as usual. We are actually able to meet and talk with some of these bikers one-on-one. Though in this first episode, we will not come in contact with most of them, but watch out.
My name is Architect Lard Thompson Samuel.
Yes,
That's
sir.
my name.
Yes, sir.
My bike is 1,200 cc.
1,200.
1,200 cc. That's
Wonderful.
the engine capacity.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yes, sir.
Why I love biking is biking will make you to look friendly to a lot of people.
Yes,
Biking
exactly.
is a very good sport.
Yes, sir.
That will make you to feel happy whenever you see people looking at you on the highway.
Yeah.
Biking is something that it will make you, now when you go to any recreational center, they will give you attention.
Yes, sir.
So biking is a very good thing to do. It's good that you should
Yes,
involve
sir.
in doing biking.
Yes,
I think
sir.
that's all I have to
Yes,
say.
sir. So how
about
much is your
biking.
bike, sir?
Yeah, my bike now. Presently, I bought it. When I bought it on 6,200,000.
6.2 million.
Yes, 6,200,000.
Wow.
That is how I bought my bike.
Wow.
But now you cannot get it at that price
How
anymore.
much are you getting now?
Yeah, presently now it's up to like 9 million.
9 million naira.
Yeah.
So you have it, guys. 9 million naira bike. Wow. Thank you very much, sir.
All right, yeah,
As you can see, this XR is so beautiful, eloquent. But you need to have like 20 million share.
Your name?
My name is Bash.
Okay. What club?
Saleh.
Saleh.
Short form is Bash.
Wow,
The nickname
wonderful.
is Sunstone. That's the company name.
Okay. What bike do you drive? You
I
ride?
drive Kawasaki Monster, Ducati Monster.
Ducati Monster. Okay. How many cc is your bike, sir?
It's 696.
696. Wow. What's your favorite thing about this bike?
Noise.
Noise. Noise.
Doctor,
The noise, no be him to see the disturb.
I like
Okay.
the noise, and I like it's all about just put fuel and take your bike.
Take off. Wow.
Not like halting, like
Yeah.
Rito, not like Rito, it's
Yeah.
well coolant.
Yeah.
It's Italian bike, so
Nice.
Italians they have a good product.
Ducati. So how much is your bike?
Price?
Yes, cost price.
Give me 2.5, I'll collect.
2.5 million. There you have it, guys. Ducati Monster.
I don't know what's with people with GXSR riders, but this is the best you can see. 1200cc. What else can you ask for? Imagine, look at this beauty. Straight.
With Sachindo.
Yeah.
Okay.
I ride Ducati Monster.
Ducati Monster. How many cc is this bike?
Approximately 800 cc.
800 cc. And what's the cost price of the bike? 2 million.
Yeah.
What do you love most about this bike?
What I love the most about the bike
Yes, sir.
is the looks.
Looks.
Yeah.
It has looks. Certainly has the looks.
Any other thing?
We meet on the road. Alright, thank you very much, boss. So with me here today is Mr. Dirk. Wow.
The rider based in Jos.
Okay. Okay. So can you explain to us a few of your metals on here?
So this medals, it's a story.
Yeah.
You know, I love motorcycling. I started riding just 6 years now.
6 years.
It's a story.
Okay.
So we started from, first of all, Nigeria.
Okay.
Then I'm a product of
Okay.
military school.
Okay.
1977. And then this was a ride to encourage hearing for children that have hearing defects.
Okay.
Then here I'm a medical doctor. So this is my
Represent.
this was the RR 2021.
Okay.
This was an Ubuntu ride where all riders in Africa
Okay.
that's the Ubuntu 2020.
Okay.
This is RR 21.
Okay.
This is the top toy 2021. This was an Adventist ministry ride. Bridges ride.
Okay.
We got through 20 bridges in Nigeria.
Wow.
5 major bridges.
Wow.
From Udene to Abuja to Jemba to Onitsha.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
And this was TT 2022.
Okay.
Where I covered 3,000 kilometers in 5 days.
Wow.
From where to where? I can't remember. From Kano to Lagos.
Wow.
Then this IBR, I did 1,000 kilometers in 24 hours.
Okay.
But it was less than 24 hours.
Wow.
Anyway. And then this is the TT23.
Okay.
Lokoja to Lokoja, Ilorin, Onitsha, Shandam, Kaduna, back to Lokoja.
Okay, so what is your favorite bike as it is?
Right now I ride an oil-cooled BMW.
Wow. How many cc is that?
1200.
1200 cc. And what does it cost?
Well, it costs some money.
It will never tell you.
It costs some money.
Okay, so what intrigues you most about biking?
Free life, the ease, takes away your problems, drops your blood pressure, makes you worry-free, just makes you happy. Adrenaline is, I love adrenaline, so it's one of the ways I need.
Okay, so you heard it here, guys. Thank you very much, sir. It's here with me is Mr. Guido. Okay, what do you have with us today?
Ride a BMW 1200
GS. Okay, what do you love most about this bike?
It's very versatile. You can do whatever you want.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Full tank from Gochi. My fuel is still at the highest level.
Are you serious?
From
It's efficient with that.
Very efficient.
Wow. So how much does this bike cost?
You know, it depends on the year and so on.
Okay.
Anything 6M and upwards.
6M and upwards. Wow. That is very nice, sir. Thank you very much for having us. Your name, sir?
Okay, I'm Engineer Joshua.
Engineer Joshua. Okay. What do you have with us here today, sir? How many cc is the bike?
It's a K1200 GT.
GT. Okay. What do you love most about this bike?
Yeah, I love it because it has a lot of stability,
Stability,
endurance,
endurance,
and then speed.
speed. Most importantly. Yes, sir. So how much does this bike cost now?
Well, right now, if you go to the market, it might be up to 6 million.
6 million.
It's fairly used.
Wow.
You are getting it in Belgium.
Wow, Belgium.
6 million between anything 4, 5 million, 6 million.
6 million.
On the grid, you're buying.
Wow. So thank you very much, sir.
The BMW XR. It's the beast of all bikes. As you all BMW lovers out there, look at this. This is the badass. As you can see, it's like a bee sting you on the road. Chew. Another demon, the Yamaha MT10.
Here today is Mr.
Balama Mahaji.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, what club do you belong to?
I belong to
JRCM. Okay.
JRMC.
Okay, what bike do you ride?
I use this Pratt.
Suzuki Sprad. What's your favorite thing about the bike?
Huh?
What's your favorite thing about the bike? Or biking? What do you love about biking?
Bike.
Yeah.
Biking is life.
It's life.
Yeah, it's just my life.
Yes,
The way I
sir.
live my life.
Yes, sir. So how many cc is your bike?
It's 600.
600. And how much was the cost price for your bike?
It goes for like 3.5.
3.5.
Yeah, direct.
Wow. Oh, it's a very nice bike, sir. It's a very beautiful bike. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Isaac. I'm the least. The least. Where your bike?
Okay, what do you ride?
Mr.
List.
GXX.
GXS 500 and something. How much is the cost price of this bike?
Where is best?
How much?
New one is 3M.
3 million. Your own go.
I'm not selling it.
So what do you love most about biking?
What I love about biking is
Yeah.
the fact that you can be invincible
Invincible.
and yet visible.
Invincible.
Invincible and yet visible.
Okay.
Understand? Yeah.
And he wasn't wrong. Invincible indeed. It was soon time for the bikers to retreat to their hotel rooms where they needed to get some rest to prepare for the evening turnout. It was actually a nice display of bikes. We got to see different and interesting bikes and generally live the life of a biker for a day, which was actually quite interesting. That concluded the day one of the event. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe and share.